Hello everyone. I recently switched from Xfinity to this T-Mobile home internet box. I have a good connection here. I am working in Vancouver, Washington this week, and I wanted to show everyone how fast the T-Mobile home internet was if you believe you are assigned cell tower. Vancouver, Washington is bigger than where I live, so I thought, maybe it would be interesting to see if I got faster speeds than where I live myself, which is where I'm also assigned for my cell tower. I am technically out of my assigned zone for T-Mobile home internet, but here in Vancouver, Washington, I'm still getting 140 megs down and 13 up, and sometimes I'm getting almost 200 megs down. It's faster than where I live personally, and I was really surprised that I get faster internet when I travel around with this box. I didn't have any issue getting this through security. I thought, it kind of looks like a pipe bomb. Maybe they won't let me through with it, but it's fine. They didn't do anything. They let me through. I just traveled through security with it, and then I plugged it in, and it immediately started working. I just had to have T-Mobile 5G coverage, and voila, I have reliable Wi-Fi wherever I go, as long as there's 5G T-Mobile, which is quite a bit of places these days. Just wanted to show everyone that you can get great internet traveling around with this box, and it doesn't really seem like they're throttling anyone.